Hey guys, Henry here from EasyTube Profits. We're dedicated to helping you make money on YouTube, even before you're monetized. We share tips and tricks, do review videos, and explore different strategies to boost your earnings. If that sounds interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's get started. Affiliate marketing. One of the easiest and most effective ways to make money on YouTube before you're monetized is through affiliate marketing. This strategy involves promoting products or services in your videos and earning a commission on any sales made through your unique affiliate links. Here's how you can get started. 1. Choose a niche. Start by selecting a niche that aligns with your interests and has a variety of products you can promote. For example, if your channel is about tech reviews, you can promote gadgets, software, and accessories. 2. Join affiliate programs. There are numerous affiliate programs available, such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. Sign up for these programs and start exploring the products they offer. 3. Create valuable content. Produce high-quality videos that provide value to your viewers. This could be product reviews, how-to guides, or comparison videos. Make sure to include your affiliate links in the video description and mention them in the video. 4. Optimize your links. Use URL shorteners like bit.ly or pretty links to create clean, trackable affiliate links. This not only makes your links look more professional, but also allows you to track clicks and performance. 5. Disclose your affiliate relationships. Always be transparent with your audience about your affiliate relationships. Include a brief disclaimer in your video descriptions to let viewers know you may earn a commission from the links. Affiliate marketing is a win-win because it allows you to earn money while providing valuable recommendations to your audience. The key is to promote products you genuinely believe in and that align with your channel's content. 2. Crowdfunding. Another fantastic way to make money on YouTube before monetization is through crowdfunding. Platforms like Patreon and Ko-Fi allow your fans to support you directly by making regular contributions. Here's how to set it up. 1. Create a Patreon or Ko-Fi account. Sign up for one of these platforms and create a compelling profile. Explain who you are, what your channel is about, and why you're seeking support. Be honest and transparent about how the funds will be used. 2. Offer exclusive content. Incentivize your supporters by offering exclusive content and perks. This could be behind-the-scenes videos, early access to new content, or personalized shoutouts. The goal is to make your supporters feel valued and appreciated. 3. Promote your crowdfunding page. Mention your Patreon or Ko-Fi page in your videos and include a link in your video descriptions. You can also create a dedicated video explaining your crowdfunding efforts and the benefits for your supporters. 4. Engage with your supporters. Interact with your patrons or supporters regularly. Respond to their comments, ask for their input on new content, and make them feel like part of your community. The more engaged your supporters are, the more likely they are to continue contributing. Crowdfunding not only provides you with a steady income, but also helps you build a loyal community of fans who are invested in your success. 3. Selling digital products. Selling digital products is another effective way to make money on YouTube before you're monetized. Digital products have the advantage of being easy to create and distribute with no inventory or shipping costs. Here are some ideas. 1. Ebooks. Write an ebook related to your channel's niche. For example, if you run a cooking channel, you could create a recipe book, promote your ebook in your videos, and provide a link in the description for viewers to purchase it. 2. Online courses. If you have expertise in a particular area, consider creating an online course. Platforms like Teachable and Udemy make it easy to create and sell courses. You can offer a free mini course to attract students and then upsell a more comprehensive course. 3. Printables. Printables are downloadable files that your viewers can print and use. This could be anything from planners and calendars to art prints and worksheets. Use platforms like Etsy or Gumroad to sell your printables. 4. Music and audio. If you're musically inclined, consider creating and selling music or audio files. This could be background music for videos, sound effects, or even meditation tracks. Promote your audio products in your videos and provide purchase links in the description. 5. Templates and presets. If you have skills in graphic design or video editing, you can create templates and presets for others to use. This could be anything from social media graphics to video editing presets. Sell these on platforms like Creative Market or your own website. Selling digital products allows you to leverage your expertise and create passive income streams. The key is to create high-quality products that provide value to your audience. 4. Brand sponsorships. Brand sponsorships are another lucrative way to make money on YouTube before you're monetized. Even small channels can attract brand deals if they have a dedicated and engaged audience. Here's how to secure sponsorships. 1. Identify potential sponsors. Look for brands that align with your channel's niche and audience. Research companies that have sponsored similar channels and make a list of potential sponsors. 2. Create a media kit. A media kit is a document that provides potential sponsors with information about your channel, including your audience demographics, engagement metrics, and previous collaborations. Make sure to include your contact information and a brief description of your channel. 3. Reach out to brands. Craft a personalized email to each potential sponsor. Explain why you're interested in working with them, how your channel aligns with their brand, and what you can offer. Be professional and concise and include your media kit. 4. Negotiate terms. If a brand expresses interest, discuss the terms of the sponsorship. This includes the type of content you'll create, the duration of the sponsorship, and the compensation. Be clear about your expectations and ensure both parties are satisfied with the agreement. 5. Deliver high-quality content. Once you've secured a sponsorship, it's crucial to deliver high-quality content that meets the brand's expectations. Be authentic and transparent with your audience about the sponsorship and integrate the brand naturally into your content. Brand sponsorships can provide a significant income boost, especially if you establish long-term partnerships with brands that align with your channel. 5. Offering services. Offering services is another excellent way to monetize your YouTube channel before you're officially monetized. Your channel can serve as a platform to showcase your skills and attract clients. Here are some ideas. 1. Consulting and coaching. If you have expertise in a particular area, offer consulting or coaching services. For example, if you run a fitness channel, you could offer personalized workout plans and coaching sessions. Promote your services in your videos and provide a link to your booking page. 2. Freelance services. Offer freelance services related to your niche. This could be anything from graphic design and video editing to writing and social media management. Use platforms like Fiverr and Upwork to find clients and showcase your work on your channel. 3. Speaking engagements. If you're comfortable speaking in public, consider offering to speak at events or webinars. Your YouTube channel can serve as a portfolio to demonstrate your expertise and attract speaking opportunities. 4. Workshops and webinars. Host workshops and webinars related to your niche. This allows you to engage with your audience in real time and provide valuable information. Use platforms like Zoom or Webinar Jam to host your events and promote them on your channel. 5. Custom content creation. Offer to create custom content for brands or individuals. This could be sponsored videos, product reviews, or social media content. Use your channel to showcase your previous work and attract clients. Offering services allows you to leverage your skills and provide value to your audience while earning income. The key is to promote your services effectively and deliver high-quality work. So there you have it, 5 insanely easy ways to make money on YouTube before you're monetized. Affiliate marketing, crowdfunding, selling digital products, brand sponsorships, and offering services are all excellent strategies to boost your earnings and grow your channel. Remember, the key to success is to provide value to your audience and build a loyal community. If you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not share and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this video. Just so you know, on the top left-hand side of the screen, you will see a video that I believe you might like. Below that is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And if you look on the right side of the screen, you'll see an image of my head. Now, if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.